So a lot of people will talk about digital product businesses, how to make money online with digital products, but no one shows you the behind the scenes. And I don't really need many minutes to let you guys know that digital product businesses are generating millions of dollars in revenue. There's people selling digital products by the second, by the minute, by the hour, by the day. It's not going anywhere. But the issue is for a person who is in the 9 to 5 mentality is how can you step into this world? It's not a price thing. Doesn't cost that much money to have resale rights to a product or to make your own product if you have something in mind. And it doesn't really cost that much money to use these softwares. Like you see right here, I'm on Google Flow. Um, I pay 20 bucks a month for Google Flow, have unlimited Nano Banana Pro and Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana 2 Lite generations. And you can do images, you can do reels, you can do cool stuff in here, right? This is one of my signature characters, the Stickman. It's the thing where a lot of people fall victim to is looking for instant gratification. So if they were to post on Facebook business page for the first time, even though they've never posted on here, never built a audience or never posted a reel, they'll see stuff like this and they'll be like, man, it's not working. So what you got to understand in digital product business, there's two main things you want to do. First, you want to get eyes to whatever it is you're selling. Obvious. You need traffic so you can get customers. Two, you want to have a product that's in demand, but in a shape or fashion that someone needs it right now. Not could need it, may want it. You know, there's a lot of digital marketers selling courses and stuff to you guys. And a lot of you guys don't even know what digital marketing is. You don't know what home-based business is. You don't even believe you can earn, what breaks down to 30, 40, 50, 60 an hour from home, or you don't know you can earn $100 a day, $500 a day with a few customers. I want to take you to the sales page for one of the products I offer. My main set of products is a bundle deal. This bundle deal gets sold for about $160 a month. The company cuts me 80% commissions, which breaks down to 128 bucks per customer. So a lot of you see these income results that people are saying they made this amount of money in a day, this amount of money, whatever. And it just seems outlandish because you don't understand what I'm going to break down to you. But first, I want you to understand like 500 bucks a day, or in this case, it says a month, but if you did this in a day, it'd be 500 bucks a day. But 500 bucks a month is only 4 active customers paying 128. That money doesn't wow you. It doesn't matter. So a lot of people want to climb up to, 3K, which is still below. I think this probably is minimum wage, probably a little above minimum wage. But you see here, that's 24 active customers. So I need you guys to keep these numbers in mind. And this is a pretty low ticket product, right? 160 bucks, pretty low, even though it's recurring. 5K, which is standard. This is not anything crazy still. It's 40 customers over a month span. And then 10K is that median. That's kind of where everyone wants to be as a minimum, but a lot of people aren't. Like there's literally, I think it's 12% of individuals making 200K a year in the United States. So 10K is where a lot of people want to be, even if it's before taxes. That's 79 customers. What I tell you next is very important in the digital product space. I'm gonna go back to what I said. You need to sell something that someone needs right now and they don't think they need. So if you're someone who's like, I don't know, I don't really know. I have to think about it. This is not going to work for you because the belief in your mind is already at fault. You already lose. You don't have the drive yet. When I first got introduced to digital marketing and, almost over a decade ago, I didn't know what I was doing. I lost a lot of money when I first started. I already had drive. I didn't know anything of how this works, but I had drive. And I used to sit online for like 8 hours a day, just posting and spamming on the internet, trying to get customers. But it was fun to me, actually. I still went to my day job and I was actually way more broke than most people are in 2026. I was only making probably 350 every 2 weeks. Like I was super broke. This was fun because it gave me a way out. So you see this 79 customers. You got to understand where digital marketers fail and no course really teaches you is you have to sell to people who need. So when I post my content, this YouTube video I'm posting right now in real time, I did my little research on the keywords like digital product business, which is the actual keyword people are searching for. Once I did that, it's up to me to speak in this video in a way that only the people that needs this right now wants to listen and break it down in a simple enough way that people can digest. Because One thing I really learned is in this business, it's not about all the knowledge you've learned. It's about how people can digest what it is that you're telling them. That comes with hooking them in. So once you hook them in and get them to watch the video, you have to bring them on a journey, which that's another video anyway. So those are the key things in a digital product business. Everything else, like the softwares, the tech, that's not really the hard part. The hard part is understanding what I just mentioned to you. And a lot of people, I gave it to you for free. A lot of people, they don't even sell it in their pay. Like they'll give you all this information and you won't understand this one thing. You need to speak to people who need it. You know, if I'm an insurance agent, I'm waiting on the phone or I'm calling people who showed interest in insurance. I'm not calling people who already have insurance unless I can get them a better rate. And I'm not calling people that I don't even know have a car. Or the first question I'm asking is, do you have a car? You know, so a lot of people are just posting, hey, do you want to make money? That's a very vague way to approach anything. And I haven't even talked about the product, but I'm not going to waste much time because the website right here is going to actually tell you. You're going to fill out your name and your email, and the website's going to actually tell you exactly how all the softwares work. But just know this is something that people need, whether it's the person already in business that is struggling to get sales on the internet. We have some amazing softwares. This makes marketing so much more simple. And two, we have a crazy opportunity for those who want to make more money and they want to sell these software solutions for 80% commissions, and we're paid every Friday. So I'll leave that information in the description below. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe because I'm always giving really good knowledge for free.